Hello there YouTube support team. My YouTube channel username is Bunere Alak. My YouTube channel handle username is Bunere Alak. You can see my video is original. All my video content is my own. I am recording a screen video directly from my phone's screen recorder. From this one, you can see. Then I am editing my video through the InShot app. I am totally disagree with your previous decision. I never uploaded any kind of reuse content. I am totally disagree. My YouTube channel URL is so please manually, carefully review and take action on my this important YouTube channel. I want to monetize my this YouTube channel again. So please try to understand, take action and restore my this important channel monetization. I am totally disagree with your previous decision. I never uploaded any kind of reuse content. Thanks for understanding.